Hi guys, this is Lucas. I just got a package from Scooter Zone, my AOS V4 and Epic RG125 fork. Yeah, I'll do an unboxing. So I got in black and silver splash. It has a removable star nut. Fits 125mm wheels. See, yeah. And that's it. That's the Epic RG125 fork. I probably will have to use a different axle because that axle does not look very strong. Whole bunch of stickers. Scooter Zone. Raymond Warner. A district sticker, an Epic sticker, yeah, and a coupon for my next order. 15%. Cool. And the main attraction, the Flávio Pesenti AOS V4. You didn't see that. V4. It is 83.5 degree head tube angle, 4.9 inches wide, 21 inches long. Should come with a nylon brake, which okay, I think it's in there. My order confirmation thing, which I don't really need. And yeah, oh, here it is. Yeah, there's the brake. It's a bicolor with classic Grim Reaper and some stuff Flávio likes, I guess. Nylon plate in the front. Looks actually surprisingly strong. The 4 cutouts. This head tube is really thick. Not that heavy. Not too bad. Yeah. Nylon brake. Let's see. Nylon brake. Steel insert. Looks pretty strong. Should work pretty well. Got the spacers. And then the new hollowed out 5mm thing. Hex nut for brake.